The Financial Sector Conduct Authority of South Africa, FSCA, regulates many SA Forex traders, including Forex Time and Quasi. However, it's evident that the trader that comes out on top is Pepperstone. Pepperstone achieves a 10 out of 10 rating due to their excellence in many categories. Brokers should choose Pepperstone for the following reasons. Pepperstone accounts can be opened on two different entities. A. Pepperstone Group Limited, who is licensed and regulated by ASIC. B. Pepperstone Limited, licensed and regulated by the FCA. Although the FSCA has yet to license Pepperstone, South African traders can be at ease as the leading broker has proven to be reliable, winning awards and gaining licensing in 2 reputed jurisdictions. Customer service. Pepperstone has won customer service awards on several occasions, with its client satisfaction ranking highest among brokers. Customer service is offered on a 24-hour basis, during the week ensuring support is available when currency markets are open. Traders in South Africa should be aware that once regulator license is approved for Pepperstone, local support may be available. Pepperstone's aim is for retail traders who open accounts to be provided with an account manager. Higher volume traders will be given a dedicated account manager that will assist in making trades of Forex through one of the more popular trading platforms. Knowledge. Pepperstone has proven time and time again that they understand exactly what a trader wants, combining high-speed processing with market knowledge, establishing unparalleled standards in the Forex trading industry. As a result of this great understanding, clients have spreads starting from 0.0 pips, a global style of trading. Pepperstone do not possess complex account structure. The global broker focuses on low-cost trading and fast trade execution. Traders are able to implement any trading style they see fit. Alongside trading styles, Pepperstone uses the latest technologies, offering sophisticated trading tools and advanced account analytics. Pepperstone's main offering. The main offering that Pepperstone possesses is in Forex trade. There are more than 70 pairs of currencies on the platform, as well as 13 CFDs covering the most vital details and aspects of the world economy. The energy section of Pepperstone deals with gas and oil, and these stand among the most attractive prospects on the site due to the spreads beginning from 0.04. Pepperstone also offers metals, for example platinum, gold, palladium, and silver, as well as a cryptocurrency section as well, including Bitcoin and Dash. Pepperstone offers great information on their website pertaining to the asset classes and swap rates, ensuring brokers trade smartly and obtain cost-saving benefits by providing tighter spreads. Account types. Pepperstone offers 5 types of accounts. Its most popular ones are the Edge Standard Account. Gives traders the tight interbank trade spreads and deep liquidity, all at no commission charge. The accounts also have spreads that start from 1.0 pips. To open an account, the minimum deposit is $2,000. Edge Razor Account. Main reason for the low spread reputation on the Pepperstone site. Offers users ECN spreads that range from 22 banks and ECNs. This leads to low Forex spread with deep liquidity and low commissions. Conclusion. Pepperstone stands out for many reasons. For South African brokers, it's important to note that Pepperstone have partnered with several social trading platforms, including DuplaTrade and ZuluTrade. Furthermore, brokers are encouraged to refer peers to Pepperstone, as the broker rewards referrals with 1,000 Rand. It should be considered that to be eligible for a reward from Pepperstone, at least a 10,000 Rand deposit must be made into a trading account. Traders in South Africa looking to get into the market should start up with a demo account through Pepperstone, and then open a live account when more confident with their trading skills. Each broker has its own pros and cons, so make sure to do your research. For more info, make sure to contact us today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.